Welcome back to Unique's Garden, y'all. We had bad storms last night, so let's see what the damage is. Okay, well, this green stalk look, I mean, it ain't that bad. That one, hold on. There we go. This one seems to be doing okay. I guess that one is, well, man down. So this is my my Roselle green stalk. We'll see if I can get it back up. It had the Carmen sweet peppers and the Roselle. Hopefully we can save it. Oh, it also had peanuts from the squirrels. So we'll see if we can save that one. That one's okay, I guess. My poor new corn is laid over. Hopefully I can get these to stand back up. Be okay. I had already tried to tie them up because they were leaning from the heat that was so bad. Maybe I can stake them. I should have staked them already. Okay, well, we'll see how the corn does. And then it looks like this one got it the worst. My green stalk that had the okra on it, my 4 o'clocks, potatoes, tomatoes, the Hungarian wax peppers. Good thing I did a big old harvest before all of this. You know, I think I'm just gonna start taking these green stalks apart. Because, I mean, it is the end of the season. And I do have all those plants I want to do for the fall. But yeah, another one down. Okay, let's check over here. Now this one is still up, which is crazy. But it's still up. Okay. And it looks, this other big one's still up too. This one's still up too. Maybe all the other plants and things help block the wind. I didn't know the storms were gonna be that bad. I thought it was just a little bit of rain. I woke up to all of this damage, y'all. So I guess I'll get to work. Makes me so sad. It's okay though. It's okay. Just like how I did with the corn stalks, I'll just have to get these back up and see what I can do. Maybe it's just y'all, it's tomatoes all rolling down the driveway. Look at these. Tomatoes rolling down the driveway. Okay, y'all. Thanks for watching. Poor Roselle. Okay, well, I picked them up. And we'll see which ones I want to. It's peppers all over the place. This is wild. I guess I can go ahead and refresh the soil for these. They really did do pretty good. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll just go ahead and put these in pots and move it out to the back with the other one. Who knows? Who knows? Thanks for watching, y'all. Want to see how I continue on this crazy weather journey here in Tennessee, Zone 7B. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.